tried him in the American court and put him behind the bars. So the same United States would not sign the ICC, the International Criminal Court, out of fear that the American soldiers in their action outside the United States would be tried in ICC. Only the American justice system would try the Americans. Why this? Why this duplication? That is why my point was, this Vienna Convention 61-63 were passed or approved more than 50 years ago. Times have changed so much. This particular case tells everyone, every country in the world, not just India, to reopen the cases, rewrite the rules, and allow certain governments to have their own labor standards, minimum wage, etc., rather than allow the Americans to write the rules for everyone in the world.
But you know, the adherence to domestic laws or domestic rules in a particular country, how can that also be linked with one of the points that you were trying to make earlier, Mr. Ranjit Kumar, which is of course in this case it is to do with the salary that is being given to such officials and what they are supposed to pay to any domestic help there according to the norms that the US has for the domestic help. Because as we know it now, the salary that she was getting, that Devyani was getting, was around $4,120 per month, but she was supposed to pay $4,500 per month to the domestic help. I mean, how can one really get into the depth of it and interpret as to what really went wrong there at the first place?
You see, the Americans want others to follow their laws, American laws, but they don't want to follow their own laws. See, the American embassy staff, what I was referring to, they employ Indian staff as maids or house servants, but are they paying to them according to their own laws? They work on their territory. The so-called the American embassy ground is